Hi, thanks for checking out our channel. We're going to do a little repair video on this particular unit. It's a newer model. We don't get hardly any new models of the Gallagher stuff, and usually the ones that Gallagher send or we get in for the Gallagher brand are older units. But this is a one of the newer models, the Gallagher M360. I was kind of surprised when I opened up the box and saw this in there because it's pretty rare for this to come in for repair. So I was like, well, what the hell is wrong with this thing? Because it's not very old, 2018 model. So it's probably one of the first years that I think that came out this unit back in 2018. This is 1850. 50 is the week of that year, so towards the end of the year. So that was built. So it's not very old. It's been out a little bit. It's scratched up and stuff on here, so it's been around doing something for a little bit. But you turn it on, I got plugged into the wall here, and it doesn't do anything at all. So we're gonna pull it apart. The note really didn't have much to say about it. It just said it quit working. So I don't know what happened there. So I'm gonna pull it apart here and see what we got going on. Pull the back cover off. These are UL listed units. So there's a special tool in it. Alright, I thought maybe the cord was unplugged or something silly, but no, cord's plugged in. Let's check the fuse. Oh, filament goes all the way across, but that's a thick filament, so it's one of them slow blow time delay fuses or whatever you call it. Let's check the fuse and see if it's any good. Huh. Well, fuse is no good. Well, let's put another fuse in there. Fuse good now. It's technically under warranty still because Gallagher came out 3-year warranty back in spring of 2018. The guy didn't say anything about warranty or say anything about it still being under warranty or when he bought it, but you know, he didn't have send a receipt or nothing for it. But if we are set up to do warranty Gallagher stuff, you know, on their brand of product, and even without the receipt to prove that it's less than 3 years old, we just based it off of this. You know, it's 2018. We're in 2021, so 18, 19, 20. That's only 3 years from 3 years ago. So this unit was built at the end of 2018. So at the end of this year, into 2021 is when the warranty would be up, unless they would provide a receipt that proved it was younger than that. But we can, based on the serial number, we can still do warranty even without the receipt. So let's I'll put the screws. If the screws fall out, let's pick them back up. Let's put it back together here, plug it back in, and hope that's all that it was. Right, look at that, just a blown fuse. All right, let's turn it off for a second. Take the knobs off. Turn it back on. Put the tester across it and see what it does. See what kind of reading we get out of it. 7.8, so almost 8,000 volts coming out of it. I'm kind of curious what kind of spark this thing throws. Pretty, it's not, like I said, it's 3.6 store joules, so it's probably right around 2 output joules, I would guess. So, well, that's a nice easy fix. I mean, it didn't cost me nothing but a fuse and my time, but it doesn't cost the customer anything because it's under warranty. If it had been water damage or something like that, or you know, ran over by a tractor or whatever, we'd have to cover, or we couldn't cover warranty then. But regular normal wear and tear or lightning or something, it would, Gallagher covers that under the warranty. So if you got one of these, you know, any Gallagher unit that's under warranty or not under warranty, whatever, send it in to us. We'll work on it for you. We don't get a lot of warranty Gallaghers in. Pretty rare. Almost always it's lightning that gets them, but that gets anything. I don't care what manufacturer it is, what pieces and parts they try to do to you to help with lightning. Lightning's going to get something. I mean, it just happens. It's the name of the game. There's nothing you can really do to help. You can buy surge protectors for the AC side. You can buy lightning diverters or lightning arresters. I would do both lightning arresters and lightning diverter on electric fence. Do a combination, because lightning arresters are kind of a one-hit wonder. Once they get hit once, they're no good. They're just a line ornament at that point. But a lightning diverter, especially the Gallagher ones, are made to take multiple hits of lightning on the fence side, depending on how hard of a hit it is, how direct a hit it is. But that was pretty straightforward. I mean, not much to really do. So, but like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit us up, write some questions down below. There are links in the description to our websites. We have 2 websites, not on this one here, but fencerfixer.com is my main website. And then we have another one where we talk about weigh scales and EID readers called cattlescalerepair.com. But there are links in the little drop down area, a little description area down below. Hit that and take it right to click on one of our websites, take you right to it. But these are good units. These Gallagher things are really good. We don't hardly ever get any new Gallaghers in. We get old ones that are 8, 10, 20, 30, 40-year-old units in for repair. Don't get very many that are less than 5 years old. Very rare, unless it's lightning related of some sort. But like I said, anything gets hit by lightning. All right, well, that's it for this. And until next time, see you guys later.